Okay.
Got it?
Yep. Hello, everyone. This is Gary and Stephanie. We're in southern Ontario, Canada. We are going to spend today moving some of these cedar trees. As you can see, we're going to move some of those cedar trees on up to higher ground, and we're going to build a mill base up there. So we're going to move those cedar trees today. Stephanie's going to work the coyote. I'm going to work the camera. And there's our cedar bush. We're going to clean some of that out this spring and build a mill base. All right, so we'll get this all fired up and get her going then. Stephanie, you ready to go?
Ready to go.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Some nice looking trees. We have a cant chart that'll show you how square of a piece you'll get out of that. Some of them are 12 feet long, some are 8 feet long, some are 10.
Once you figure out how to work it out.
Yes. All right. And here we have some black cherry. I can mill that up and build a table. Come on, settle down there, Rep. I'll tell you, that gravel's worth its weight in gold. There's a lot of brush with it, a lot of logs. I think she's going to try and grab a couple of them. Well, maybe not. Drive up to where the mill is going to go. Okay, this is a little field that we're going to set the mill up in. It's a high ground here, so we're probably going to set up a temporary mill in here somewhere. So we're going to mill enough materials to build a base for the sawmill to go on. We bought a TMG, just put it together, so we're going to bring that out next week and set it up. So Stephanie's bringing out the logs and piling them up on these little bunkers. Keep them dry and out of the dirt. And on over there, we have a lot of red pine. So what we're doing is bringing the red pine out. We're gonna mill those up and make all of our trims for our new house that we're gonna be building in the spring. So it's around the corner in the other field over there. We gotta bring more around. So we're gonna mill those up, make our own trims, and yeah, so we're hoping to bring the mill out this week. So where we're hoping to build, that's where we come into the back of our fields, is way down there. We're hoping to build a new home there. And right over there is where the red pines come from. So we're going to mill those up. And there's an old tree stand I put up when I first moved out here 22 years ago. It's a little rough now. I don't think I'd want to hunt out of that one anymore. So we've got the red pines behind us, and we've got the white cedar ahead of us in the swamp. And we have some red cedars too. So we're gonna mill them all up and have some fun. Here comes Stephanie with another log. Guess she's a little nervous. Let's bring them one at a time. Hi, Maggie. Nice looking logs. Perfect. 2 down. I think there's like 20 logs down there. That should be enough to put together a base for our mill. Yappy dog. Come here, Rep. Alright, so we're just heading over into where we have a stand of red pines. We got a lot of big ones here. So we're gonna maybe try and move those today too, up to where we're gonna put the mill together. So we've got probably 15 logs there. We got trail into where all the red pines are. Stephanie's piling up logs. Let's take a little trip over here and just see if we can find some red pines that we're gonna knock down and drag out and make our trims for our house. Here we go. As you can see, we have a lot of red pines, lots of deer tracks, a lot of big deer. So we have lots of red pines in here. So we'll knock these down. That one's probably 12 inches across. And way up there, probably 100 feet tall or so. Nice and straight. Look at that one. That's gonna be fun to knock down. And we have some red cedars up in here. You can see red cedar there. We have a couple smaller ones there, down there. So I think what we're gonna do is knock some of those down, and they're a very, very nice looking tree on the inside, the cant, nice and red. So like I said before, I like to mill those up and line my sauna with those. All right, let's head out, see how Stephanie's making out. She loves the coyote. Neighbor's dog is with us all the time. There's a big cedar log. The size of that, a little punky in the middle, but should be able to get some 2x6s and 2x8s out of that. Oh, so he's taking up, I don't know, 4 or 5. We got another 12 pieces or so, 13 pieces. Let's just take a little walk in here where we're getting our cedars from. As you can see, there's lots of them. All right, come on, Rip. Keep the tractor up with the mud. All right, some nice cedar trees. Look at that. There's a nice one, nice and straight. Look at that. Some beauty cedars. Nice big ones there. There's one over there. It's probably 24 inches across. Expecting the center of that might be a little punky. I don't know what we knocked down, probably 6, 7 trees. Top of that one we had to leave in. It kind of froze in the ice, so I don't think we're gonna be getting that one out. But this is our project for the next couple of years. Clearing out these cedars, put together a deck on the new house. We'll see. Probably gonna have to have a grader come in and grade my lumber and stamp it for me. I think it's about $500 for the day, but it's well worth it. There's over just thousands of dollars in cedars in here. So anyways, see you maybe when we get started on the mill base.
Okay, so it's Gary's turn to do some tractoring. I moved the cedars and now he's going to move a pile of the red pines that we've got ready. So going to get them over here and set up the mill. Hopefully we'll be working on that tomorrow and start milling. Should be fun. This field behind me, this bush area behind me, spring is right full of leeks. So it's kind of fun to bring the grandkids out and pick some leeks, and they're quite tasty. Anyway, I think Gary's coming on with his load. How do we change this around here? Okay, Gary's coming with his first load of pines to move over into the milling field. Let's go see how he's making out here. It's nice to see the sun shining this afternoon. Here he comes. Well, Gary's coming in with the last of the pine that we have cut and ready, so this will be it for today, and hopefully tomorrow we'll get that mill out of our garage and start trying to figure it out. Our neighbor's dog keeps getting in the way of the tractor. It's pretty funny. Maggie. Well, last bit for today.
That's all we have down.
All right.
We got our TMG put together. Just gonna pull it out of the garage and take it back to the field where it's gonna do some milling for us. We got this temporary ramp set up. We're gonna use the Coyote to carry it back. It's about, I think it's about 3/4 of a mile from here, back end of our field. So let's see how she goes. One at the front, one at the back. Or I guess we both just stay up the side. Okay. What's that? Can you get the grapple on there?
I feel like we can reach that.
Okay. Go ahead, Tyler. Oh, you can be on the board. Okay. A little bit back. Put the rail on top of those trucks. Oh, that's good, but, yeah, that's good. Right there. The back.
Now the fun starts. This is exciting to get our brand new mill out here and give it a try. All right. Be interesting to see how successful we are with this one.
Anything there? You want to try that?
No, it's all right. I'll bring the bike. I don't want to be responsible
For what?
for anything happening to the mill. Here, gotta turn this off.
Yeah, we can go ahead and set up in the field or down there.
Just turn it off for now.
to the field. We'll be back there for a few years.
Let's see how this goes. The head went back okay, so I hope the track goes back all right.
All right, let's try her out.
All right.
Oh, I want to move that hole over.
Rippy, are you ready?
Woke up this morning, it was minus 9 degrees Celsius. And 2 days from now, it's going to be plus 9 and rain. Fun. So what we're going to do today is we're going to level up this mill. It's a temporary setup. We want to mill this white cedar over here to make the base for our new mill. And it's going to go in here somewhere. I'm not exactly sure where, but we're going to put it in here. We're going to make it probably 12 by 24. So we'll do that. So anyways, we had this mill all set up in the garage. Perfectly level, square, straight, everything. So it kind of hit a little tree over here. I was driving. So I was watching my right side coming in. I lifted the base up to get over top of that. And guess what? I did not see that. So I hit that and kind of made things go a little cockeyed. So now we're going to spend some time this morning. We're going to level it up and have a little bit of fun. So there's the neighbor's dog. Right there, and there's our dog. Rip and Maggie. So there's the white cedars we're going to use, and the red pines we're going to use for our trims in the new house. So there's the mill head, Coyote, Stephanie, Mill. Let's see what we can do today.
We got our work cut out.
Okay, so we have the base all set up. It's fairly close, but we're going to use the transit to make it more exact. And I do realize after each log it may move a little bit, so we'll have to adjust each log until we get the base material done up. So we're going to shoot this and get it level. We'll shoot the 4 corners and then run a string line.
Really?
Yeah. Both those have to go down an 8.
I have to say that's a lot closer than I thought it was going to be.
I imagine it's going to go out of whack. Okay, so this one here is loose a little bit, isn't it? This one here is loose. Yeah. So if we take that one down, this one will go down.
Yep.
Okay.
Want the wrenches?
No, they're not tight. Down on that. Yeah. Here. Right, stop.
Okay, the back's almost on. Hold on. Back's on.
Bring it down a little bit.
Bring it down again.
Right.
Gotta let it go. Go, go. Real close, just gonna lift it up a bit. Ready? Yeah. Come back to you. Ready?
Come on.
There, I'm on. Woo.
So what? So we let that down a little bit. Anymore.
And when we come back, we'll do our first ever cut on the sawmill. We've seen it done lots of times on YouTube and watched some pretty helpful channels, so hopefully we can make out all right. Anyway, we're gonna go and have lunch. Okay, here we go. First cut.
All right. We had those what are they called?
Log dogs.
Log dogs. Too far apart. So we moved it in closer now. We'll see what happens. Maybe this will work a little better for us. Okay, let's roll that up. Look at this.
Did we bring our can up?
Nope. Okay. See the other one now?
I wonder if it'd be easier if we shorten them down a little bit.
Then it'll be hitting the snow. That's there?
That's there. See, that'll hold.
Okay, that's popping out again. We gotta do something with that.
I think that would have come with a screw for it.
You know what I might be able to do? Take that apart and put the one piece up underneath. Put the cable around here on an angle.
All right, well,
Okay. got the mill together and we got the blade working the right way. It's a little easier to cut. So we're just going to cover it up for the day and maybe come in this weekend with the grandkids and play around. All in all, it's been a good day.
Yeah, great day.
All right, let's cover it up.
A few friendly words of encouragement along the way, and we got her done.
Is there another good one on it? There's another good one.
Yeah, there's 3. We ended up with 3 1 by 3.
Oh, these are the 2 good ones.
1 by 3.5.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Not bad for a little log. We're just kind of picking a little one just to play with. We're going to take it home, and actually we're going to run it through the planer and see how it planes out, how it finishes up. Probably show you that too.
Okay.
Anyway, we'll see you guys later. Had a great day.